All right, let's set the scene. Imagine you're sitting on a wooden dock, warm sun on your face, salty breeze in your hair, and the turquoise waters of the Maldives stretching out as far as you can see. Suddenly, the gentle roar of a seaplane engine breaks the silence. That's your ride. And trust me, you're about to see the world in a way you'll never forget. Now, boarding a seaplane in the Maldives, it's not exactly your average airport experience. No crowded terminals, no endless queues. Just a handful of excited travelers, barefoot on the dock, ready for adventure. I step up, hand over my bag, and clamber aboard. The pilot, barefoot, tan, and grinning, gives me a thumbs up. That's when I realize this is pure island style. As the engines fire up, my heart's racing, just a little. The plane glides across the water, picking up speed, and then, suddenly, we're airborne. The view? Absolutely unreal. Below, a patchwork of islands and atolls, each surrounded by rings of brilliant blue. From up here, the Maldives looks like a painter went wild with every shade of turquoise. Flying over the Maldives isn't just a scenic flight, it's a bucket list dream. I can see tiny resorts perched on stilts, white sand beaches curling around lush palms, and even the shadows of reef sharks gliding in the shallows. Every minute, the colors shift as the sunlight dances over the water. I'm glued to the window, trying to soak in every single detail. The pilot dips the wings so everyone gets a good view. I spot sandbanks that pop up out of nowhere, just blips of white in a sea of blue. And then the classic Maldivian overwater villas come into view, looking just as dreamy as they do in the travel magazines. It's the kind of place you have to see from above to really believe it exists. And honestly, up here you get it. You get why people travel halfway across the planet for this. There's a sense of freedom, a sense of awe, and this feeling that you're a tiny part of something impossibly beautiful. Before I know it, we're circling back down, splashing onto the lagoon like it's the world's smoothest landing. I step off, grinning ear to ear, completely in love with this place. If flying over the Maldives in a seaplane isn't on your bucket list yet, I promise it should be. There's really nothing like it in the world. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable adventure. Until next time, keep chasing those bucket list dreams.